Ladies and gentlemen, the car that was proved and approved around the world, the 1958 Ford. In every way, there's nothing newer in the world. In styling, again, Ford sets the pace with the newest look in automotive design. Every detail is new, beautifully combining fashion and function. Metal sculptured into rich beauty. This is true high style. This is bold new style. Notice the strikingly original design of the new sculptured rear deck, the new horizontally mounted safety twin taillights, and the gracefully high-canted tail fins. This is the new Ford look that brought home the Bravos from Paris to Saigon. Now, the latest version of America's all-time favorite convertible, the new 58 Ford Sunliner. Further proof that Ford makes all the difference in the world. Under that hood is Ford's all-new Interceptor V8 engine with precision fuel induction, the greatest V8 advance in 25 years. Team it with Ford's new Cruise-O-Matic drive, and you'll get gas savings up to 15%, as well as brilliant new responsiveness. And every 58 Ford has new Magic Circle steering that makes turning as easy as pointing. Here's the 58 Ford Country Squire, one of 6 new Ford station wagons. Like all Ford station wagons and Fairlane and Fairlane 500 models, it's available with the newest suspension system in the industry, Ford Air suspension. It rides you smooth and level, regardless of load or road conditions. In styling, in performance, in handling, in comfort, in all the things that really make a new car new. There's nothing newer in the world than the 58 Ford. It's at your Ford dealers now.